Got the hairs cut and we got the Crocs on. If you saw my last video, you know, you might be able to give it a little throttle, and then if you let off, it just goes on its own. You know, it probably goes like 10, 12 miles per hour just on its own. So the clutch is definitely burnt out. But that's fine, because I knew it was going to happen. So we're junking that one, and then we're putting a torque converter on here. So this shaft is a 5/8 shaft. And on other engines, like the Predator 212s, Hondas, other stuff like that, they're all 3/4 inch. So the torque converters, they only make them in 3/4 inch. So this little adapter that I got off of Amazon, it goes from 5/8 to 3/4. I ended up taking off this washer that sat right up against here, so this adapter shaft could slide all the way in. The good old fashioned grab a grinder, cut this fool off. I think this was for the jack shaft or something. Alright guys, so we made a run to Tractor Supply. See if we can get this in focus here. So we got spacers to lift the engine up a little bit, or else the second belt thing right there, that would have been hitting the frame. It's still pretty close, but it clears. Which those are 5/16 by 5/8 by 3/4. Let's see if I can get that in there. For the shaft, I had to get a longer bolt, and got those there as well. So these are M6-1 times 50. Of what I did, I just put a spacer in there. I had bolts, longer ones to go there, but if you're there, you might as well get some, so you don't have to look around. But yeah, it's pretty close right there, but yeah, those spacers came in handy. And then now I'm just lining up this sprocket and that sprocket, which they're somewhat aligned, but I'm gonna have to bump this one out probably another 1/2 inch maybe, just to get it aligned to here, and then we're done. Guys, quick recap. We cut the bar off that was right here. and this other thing in the back that was for the old jack shaft. Cut that off. Went to Tractor Supply, got a longer bolt for the shaft, got these spacers here, put those on, raised it up, put the torque converter on, put the chain back on, and that was really it. You know, it was only, I want to say I probably spent maybe like 2 hours on this install, so not that long. We're gonna top speed test this thing soon, so get ready, bro. I'm Bataha, thanks for watching this video, and we'll see y'all in the next one.